Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm Nohelani Graf with your most accurate forecast. You might want to consider making this Saturday a pool day. It's going to be hot, it's going to be dry, and it might be one of the last times that we see those triple digits and are ripe for pool weather. Keep in mind that UV index still in the high range though, so lots of sunscreen for today. Check out our temperatures hour by hour. By 9 o'clock, we'll still be in the 80s. We'll hit the 90s by 10, upper 90s by lunchtime, and then we'll hit those triple digits right after lunchtime. Highs for the valley today. The hottest temperature is going to be 103 in the Phoenix Metro and in Maricopa. A few degrees cooler in Glendale at 102, Peoria at 101, as well as Deer Valley out in the East Valley. Apache Junction and Mesa looking to hit the century mark dead on. Highs across the state for today. Southern half of Arizona going to be a lot like the valley. So it's going to be in the upper 90s, mid 90s for Safford, Casa Grande at 99. And then we're going to hit those triple digits out in the southwestern corners of our state and up our northwestern border. In the high country, looking comfortable today in the mid 80s for Prescott and Payson, mid 70s for Flagstaff. If you are headed to the football game tonight, ASU taking on the Oregon State Beavers at home at Sun Devil Stadium. Kickoff is at 7 o'clock. Still going to be a little toasty in the upper 90s, but as we move through each quarter of the game, those temperatures will drop. By the time the game is over, some clouds will have rolled in and will be in the low 90s. So pleasant temperatures as we get through the evening. Then looking ahead, Futurecast shows some big changes coming. Clear skies overnight and into Sunday, and then Sunday late afternoon is when we start to see our first rounds of moisture push in from the south, remnants of Hurricane Rosa. We could also see some pop-up showers in Prescott and Flagstaff. Overnight Sunday is when we really look to get our first round of rain, and then into Monday, that rain, the next band pushes up and continues. Monday into Tuesday, it's looking like a real soaker, and that's why flash flood watches are already in effect for Monday and Tuesday for most of Arizona, certainly from central Arizona out to the western portion and from north to south. All of Arizona looking to get wet over the next couple of days. So here's that 7-day forecast for you. Dry and warm on this Saturday. Warm still on Sunday, but those clouds move in overnight. We put in that first chance, 30% chance of showers. Monday and Tuesday, weather action days here at ABC 15 Arizona, because that's when we expect to see the most rain move in. We're going to keep rain chances around in our forecast midweek on Wednesday, and then they start to taper off, and we look to dry out by the end of the work week.